Hey everyone, this is filler number 1 for the ammo from Mr. Andy Hodge, 10 at 4, top and bottom spot, each win spot on the main. Copy our list. Go live. 11:34. Paste our list. Roll the dice, need a 4 or higher. 11:34. 3 is no good. And we got a 9. 11:34, 9 times. 10 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 items on the list. Mr. Ryan on top. Danny on the bottom. Randomized 8 times. Dice called for 9. 11:34, final time. Good luck, everyone. We got Danny on top, Mr. Ryan on the bottom. 10 items, 9 times, 9 on the dice. Rest winners. We're done. 11:35. Thanks, everyone.